Hey guys, Katie Lamb here. I hope you're having an awesome day today. Today I'm going to be talking about how to make money on Pinterest without a blog. And it's actually easier than you think. Even though Pinterest is massive with bloggers and people who have a website like a business online and they use it to drive traffic to that blog where they have products that they will sell, you can still make money on Pinterest if you don't have a blog. And I'm going to show you how to do that today. Pinterest has over 335 million monthly active users, and it's a very visual platform. If you don't know what Pinterest is, it's a platform where anyone can set up a free account and create their own pins and save other people's pins to their different niche boards. You can create your own boards around different themes that interest you. So some popular niches on Pinterest are home decor, fashion, mums and kids, making money online, fitness, but anything goes really. So to give you an example, here's my Pinterest account. As you can see, mine's about making money online, affiliate marketing, working remotely, like travel, because this is what I'm doing. This is what I'm interested in. So I'm just going to show you some of my boards now. So each board you want to give like a description, like a keyword that someone would be searching for. So ways to make money online, how to start affiliate marketing, how to start a blog and get followers, digital nomad tips, online jobs to earn money. So these are just some of my boards, and I've also linked my account up to my YouTube account and my Instagram account. And you can also join group boards, as you can see down here. So this will help your pins get more eyes on them. So once you get accepted to group boards, some of these boards have like hundreds and sometimes millions of people visiting those boards and posting their own stuff, also sharing other people's pins as well. So you post your pins onto these like popular boards and you share other people's and they will share yours. So it gets like thousands and even sometimes millions more eyes on what you are pinning. Now, just showing you inside my Pinterest business account in the analytics overview. Like I said, I've been on here about a month now, and as you can see, had some really good traction already with some of my pins. So the impressions are the number of times your pins were seen, total audience, the number of people who have seen or engaged with your pins, engagement, so the total number of engagements of your pins, including saves, so other people who have saved my pins, link clicks, carousel swipes, so 633, and engaged audience, so the number of people who have engaged with your pin. So that can be just like clicking on your pin or clicking on the link, things like that. So scrolling down now, and then it gives you like your top performing boards. So my best boards have been how to start affiliate marketing and online jobs to earn money. As you can see, I've had like 36 link clicks, 76 close-ups, 119 engagements, and over 4,000 impressions. And the how to start affiliate marketing has had 14 link clicks, 185 engagements, 25 saves, 144 close-ups, and over 9,000 impressions. So that's how many times my pins were seen. So this doesn't mean I've definitely had sales for all the people that have clicked on my links, but it's, you know, increasing engagement is giving more possibility of that happening. So I'm going to show you one of my pins now and where you would put the affiliate link if you wanted to start affiliate marketing on Pinterest to make money. So inside one of my pins here, just going to click on the edit button. So this is the board it's been pinned on. Then you would give it like a clickable title, like I talked about, something that someone might be searching for in the search bar on Pinterest. Then you have a description, put some keywords in the description and at the bottom, and then it gives you a section where to put the link. It does say website, but this would be where you would put your affiliate link once you have it. And Pinterest are okay with affiliate marketing. They didn't used to be, but now they've changed their rules and they do allow affiliate marketing on Pinterest. So as you can see here, affiliate links are now allowed on Pinterest. I think they changed it around, as you can see here, I think it was around 2016. So it says in the past they removed affiliate links from Pinterest because spammers were abusing them. But now they have like a spam detection system and they're pretty hot on keeping an eye out for what people are posting. So you still have to be careful, but you are allowed to post affiliate links on Pinterest. So an interesting thing here is that if you've been doing affiliate marketing for a while, normally you would use a link cloaker like Pretty Link or Bitly to cover up the link, but here you don't need to. They don't like this. Pinterest want you to put the full link in here, not the cloaked link. Otherwise, they will remove that. So just thought I'd let you be aware of that. So I'll show you what I mean in a second if you don't understand. Now we're going to look up the steps to set up Pinterest to make money. Now, set up your Pinterest business account. Like I said, you need a business account so you can track your users, people who are clicking on your links, and which pins are doing well and which aren't. Then decide on a niche you want to promote products in. So, for example, fashion, mums and baby, fitness, travel, money, and then set up your boards. Remember, we said to have at least 10, and you can build them up over time. So then you want to find products that relate to your niche that you can promote. So you can find these products on platforms like Warrior Plus, Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate, ClickBank, or private affiliate programs. So you can search for private programs in Google, but generally to become an affiliate for a private program, like for a course or something, you need to have taken the course. So if you've taken like a blogging course or a SEO course or something like that, or you use a software, then you could become an affiliate for that. You can ask the program owner. Then you want to create beautiful eye-catching pins on Canva or PicMonkey. Remember, we talked about Pinterest is really visual. You want to be able to get people to click on your pin by using like graphics and color, and pinks and purples do really well on Pinterest. And like I said, you want to create like 3 or 4 or 5 pins for each product or for each post you're sending people to, and you can track which ones are doing better. And once you had them up there for a while, you can delete the ones that aren't doing well and use the ones that are doing well. And then you want to post pins daily and consistently. So use Tailwind to schedule your pins. You can get a free month. I'll put the link in the description, but it's honestly one of the best ways to build up your Pinterest account, because it can become overwhelming, like pinning every day, like up to sort of like 30-50 pins a day. Tailwind lets you schedule everything up front, so you don't have to get overwhelmed and be on there for hours each day. And I wanted to quickly show you how to create your first affiliate pin. So when you're in your Pinterest account, you go to the plus sign with the red circle and press on that, and that will take you to the area where you can create your first pin. So you need to create an image that is tall, and then you fill in all the details with your link afterwards. So like I mentioned before, Canva is one of the best places to create your pin graphics. It has all the sizes, custom dimensions in there for you. Like you can see, you can create imagery for all your different social accounts. So you click on create a design, then you go to Pinterest pin, and then you can create your pins. Like I said, you want to create like 3 or 4 for each product that you're promoting. You can play around with the sizes here. So I go between like 25 and 50, and you can choose some different photos here and different elements to use in your pin. I'm not going to go through that today, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is and how much free stuff that is there for you to use. So one of the products I was just going to use as an example today is the Traffic Secrets book, which I'm an affiliate for, which is from ClickFunnels, Russell Brunson. What is good about this, they've got like a lot of images you can use, which you'll find with a lot of affiliate products. There will be graphics and images you can already use without having to do anything. So a good thing is this one's nice and tall. That would fit as an affiliate pin. So I've already downloaded this. So that's what I'm going to use as my Pinterest graphic. And here's the link. So like I said, you don't want to cloak it. Normally you wouldn't want to post a link like this on your social media or on your website. You would use Bitly or PrettyLink to cloak it to make it look nice. But on Pinterest, like I said, they don't want you to cloak your links. You use the link how it is. So I'm copying that and going back over to my Pinterest account, and so where it says website, I'm going to post my affiliate link there. Then I'm going to upload my image, which I've already downloaded for Traffic Secrets, and add that in there. Or if you've made one on Canva, you download that and you add that in there, so that fits quite nicely. Then you have to write in your titles. So remember, think about keywords, what people might be searching for in relation to that book. And you want to use a keyword in the title. And again, in your description, you want to write like a decent description, just explaining what this product is about and what people can expect. And you also, when you're affiliate marketing on Pinterest, you want to make sure you tell someone it is an affiliate link. So after you've written your description, what I would do at the bottom when I'm adding in some more keywords. So one keyword might be free book, get blog traffic. So these are some keywords that people might be searching for in Pinterest. You also want to let people know it's an affiliate link. You have to disclose this. So always have at the end like affiliate link, or you can say promotion, something like that. So that's just one of Pinterest policies. Just you have to let people know that it's an affiliate link, it's an affiliate product. So obviously before that you have your description, title, and then put in some more keywords at the end and disclose it's an affiliate link. And then you publish. That's basically it. And you can choose which board to publish it to once you have all your boards set up. So making money affiliate marketing on Pinterest without a blog is possible, like we've talked about, but you don't want to be just posting your affiliate pins all day, every day, because you do run the risk of getting flagged by Pinterest. So to offset this, you want to make sure you're pinning 50% of other people's pins, like helpful pins for people in your niche that would be following your boards, as well as your affiliate pins. If you have your own blog, you can do a mix of your blog posts as well, but this video is about affiliate marketing on Pinterest without a blog. So definitely look at using Tailwinds, the free platform I told you about, where you can set a little schedule and mix up your pins to go out a mix of yours and a mix of other people's pins. So on the right here, you can see my schedule. So you want to be pinning anywhere between 5 and 50 a day. I started on 5 and I've sort of upped it now to like 7 or 8 a day. So I have my drafts here that I have to schedule, and I'll show you how I do that. So you can create your new pins here and keep them in the schedule area, because like I said, you might be doing like 3 or 4 pins for each product, and you don't want to send them all out at the same time because that would be seen as spammy. So you can keep them in your drafts and then set them out to go out on certain days. So to find other people's pins to mix in with yours, you go to your account and go to your home feed, which I'm on now. And once you start following other boards in your niches, you'll start to see pins related to your niche and ones that would go well for your audience. So every week, have a scroll through and save any pins that would go well on your boards. So as I'm going down here, like I've got lots of pins from I can see from other people about making money online and affiliate marketing, among others, because that's the areas I'm in. So when you see a pin that you want to save, you can see the little Tailwind tribe thing here. So I would click on that and it takes me to this page, and it saves the pin for me, and I don't want to schedule it now. I want to save it for later, so I'll click on save for later. When I go back into my Tailwind account, I'll see it saved to my draft. So that is how you can save other people's pins to mix in with your affiliate pins to make your boards, really helpful and not just like spammy full of affiliate links. So that's it for today on how to make money on Pinterest without a blog. I hope you can see how much opportunity there is there. Grab your free trial of Tailwind below and start experimenting with your pins and posting times to see which works best. Remember, you can track your analytics in your Pinterest business account. So let me know how you get on and leave me any comments below. I will talk to you soon.